Vguard solar water heaters, pressurized ETC type heat pipe technology. Here we are providing a cascading system, split type 200 into 2 numbers of 400 liter capacity, pressurized 8 bar capacity. The inlet goes to the first system, the outlet of the first system goes to the second system. So it generates good quality hot water during winter session, so to avoid the mixing of cold water in the second system. You can see the air walls fitted. For more details, contact Sunflame Energy Consultant, Tilakawadi, Belgaum, or call www.sunflameenergy.com. Thank you.